Good evening, everyone. We are here in front of you to report our group activity about types of sentences.
So, what are the types of sentences? There are four types of sentences. First, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence means a sentence that asks a question and ends with a question mark. So, interrogative sentence is kanang mag-end siya og question mark. Murag nag-ask siya question ba nangutana siya. Like inanagad. So, there are five examples. First is why haven't you started studying? Second, when did you finish your school? Third, where in the world did I leave my phone? Fourth, when are the best days to go to the mall? Fifth, what kind of music do you want to dance to?
And the second one is the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence means containing surprise and or emotion are called exclamation sentence. An exclamation point is placed at the end of such sentences. There are five examples here, and the first one is how beautiful this city is. The second one is Sarah, wipe the board. Number 3, ooh, I miss the service. Number 4, don't talk to me. Get out. Number 5, please help me now.
Number three, declarative or assertive sentence is a sentence that is affirmative and ends with a period or a full stop. So there are five examples. First, Alex is a good baseball player. Second, he plays for the Rockers Club. Third, he is a good leader. Fourth, she plays with passion. Five, they are very humble.
And the last one is the imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is used to demand or require that an action be performed. It is usually found only in the present tense or second person. There are five examples here, and the first one is pass the salt. Number 2, be there at 5 p.m. Number 3, consider this red dress. Number 4, clean your room. Number 5, find my leather jacket. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, very good.
Good day, everyone. So we're here in front of all you guys to explain our topic, which is preposition. What exactly preposition is? Preposition is a word or group of words used before a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase to show direction, time, place, location, spatial relationships, or to introduce an object. Some examples of prepositions are words like in, at, on, of, and to. Preposition in English are highly idiomatic.
Preposition is one of the 8 parts of speech that is used to tell the current position of something. There are many types position of some of prepositions such as preposition of place, time, and movement.
So, ang preposition dahil kay nagtudlo siya sa kanang time, sa kanang place, sa usa ka butang. So, mao ni mga examples sa prepositions. Alin din? So, naaday 10 common preposition of place, which is in, on, at, by, near, between, behind, above, below, and beside.
10 common preposition of time. For, before, after, during, until, since, from, to, through, or within.
Then, 10 common prepositions of movement. To, from, into, through, along, across, onto, off, over, and up. So, mao din mga examples of words of prepositions. That would be all, and thank you.
Okay. Very good.
안녕하세요, students.
안녕하세요.
Okay, you may start brushing your teeth now.
Ugo pa kayo.
Agak ng ko nga. Ang kagwapa ka. Buwa ko. Ano bago nga ibo na parang ano ba? Hindi din mo ko ang gamit pa ano. Sige, babo na. Charong di ang tagkikina to ni. Basta ito na fresh.
Sarang hindi naman tuwan tuwan ko eh.
Hindi lagi naman inom sa kisi.
Mouthwash is siya.
Ipon nga daot.
Annyeonghaseyo, students.
안녕하세요.
Okay, for this evening, our topic is all about making a descriptive essay, and you will make based from your life as a student using descriptive essay. So when we say descriptive, nag-describe mo. Okay? Sama unsa tong mga describing words? Katong adjective, right? So unsa man to? Beautiful, handsome, ana. Something like you are describing. That is descriptive. Okay? Sayon ra? Okay, nakasabot ra? Mo na siya ang descriptive essay. Somewhat like you are describing using an adjective word. Okay? So, inyo siyang i-appeal diri sa essay para makahimo mo og descriptive essay. Okay? So, mao man to siya ang atong gitopic before katong naay narrative essay, katong naay descriptive essay. Okay? Nakagets ra? Katong expository essay. And, usa pa to last? Katong usa ka essay sa lain. Katong arguing sad no? Ito na argumentation. Okay. So, karon ay paglang so, karon na inyong himuon is descriptive essay. So, but before that, I will also teach you all about the words. Synonym words before. So, I have here handouts. So, it's all about synonym words. So, when we say synonym, meaning to say anong synonym, guys, maminaw, words with the same meaning. Pariha og meaning. For example, active. So, ang kaparihan niyag meaning is energetic. Okay, same na sila meaning, right? Kay active niya, energetic. Pareha na sila pasabot. Okay, for example, ani? Kining antique. Antique. Students at the back, maminaw lagi, dili magtabi if someone is talking in front, maminaw sa discussion. Tanawan nyo ang antique. Unsa man ang antique?
Old item.
Very good. Old item. So, kung maingon tag antique, old item siya. Karaan nga mga butang, sinaunang mga gamit. How about agility?
Weakness.
Weakness. Very good. Weakness. Meaning to say, kapaspason. Oh, paspas. How about attire? Very good. Dress. Okay. Sanina. Okay. Dress. How about assets? Tanawa dress yung copy. Ha? Assets. Assets man. Assets. Earnings. Okay. Kanang assets is earnings. When we say earnings, kanang inyuhang, ang inyuhang okay, students, unsa na earnings?
Earnings.
Oh, earnings no.
Earnings.
Okay, kanang inyuhang makwarta, inyong ma-income. Okay? Kung liabilities is katuman to siyang property ra ninyo, no? So, kining kuan. Aid.
Help.
Okay, help. So, mutabang, no? Then, how about ambition?
Dream.
Okay. If ang ambition o dreams, same ra na siya. Synonyms ra na sila. Kay parehas ra man sila pasabot sa Bisaya. So, unsay ambition nimo sa kinabuhi? Mura ra po na nimo damgo nimo sa kinabuhi nga imong gipangandoy. So, achieve. Unsa man achieve? Achieve daw. Accomplish. Okay? Unsa to? Accomplish. Okay, boys at the back, naminaw mo dira? Wala mo naminaw, boys? Nga nag-unsa mo dira? Synonyms ni atong topic, ari. How about kining annoy? Boys at the back, unsay answer? Annoy.
Disturb someone.
Very good. Restore someone. Okay, so maghimo na mong isena, ha? Okay, fighting!
Fighting!